Hey guys, so there's this I've been playing around with the new Google ADK, that's the new Google Agent Development Kit that was released last week. And it's pretty standard, much like frameworks like CrewAI and even the OpenAI SDK. They all kind of follow the same kind of paradigms and stuff. So I have an agent that I've created here. This agent has two tools. It can use two tools. It can get the weather and it can also get the current time. And the agent is defined, Gemini 2.0 Flash and all that. So I created this following their quick start guide. But there's this the cool part. The cool part about it is that if I run ADK Web, which is the CLI tool for the agent development kit, if I run ADK Web, it will just spin up a web interface for me to interact with my model. Yeah, and this already comes with the framework. It spins up a web interface for me to interact with my model. It's currently running. I think it's running now. It's currently running at localhost 8000. So let's check that out. So if I go to my browser, let's go to localhost colon 8000. So it opens this dev UI. It opens the UI interface for my agent, and the project structure for this framework is already structured in a way that it can give you like a multi-agent system. So you can pick one of the agents, and I've just picked the one I want to use now. You can pick one of the agents, and you can just start interacting with it. Yeah, you can just start interacting with it. So I can say hello, and it will respond. Yeah, it will respond. It says, how can I help you today? I can provide you with the current weather or time of a specific day, of a specific city rather. So it already recognizes the tool, automatically recognizes the tool. So I can say something like, oh, so what is the weather? What is the weather? Then it asks me to be specific. Which city am I interested in? Now, I already know that these tools are kind of hard coded right now. They're not very smart. So it only supports New York. So I'm going to type in New York. So give me the weather for New York. And then it calls the tools and gets the results. Calls the tools and gets the results. And you can see everything. There's a log here that shows how all the interactions are going on. Another cool thing about this is that you can click the tool call and see the event. You can see the workflow. You can see the workflow. You can see the agent itself and how it routed to the get weather tool and used it based on the question that we're asking. And you can see other metadata and so many details about the flow that we just had. Pretty awesome. You can also talk to this. Yeah, you can also talk to it. I have not implemented that yet. You can ask to stream and stuff. Let me allow this time. It's just going to throw errors now. It's not hearing me say anything right now because I've not implemented that part. You also need to use a model that the Gemini model that supports the live API. But this is for me. This is just pretty cool. This is just pretty cool, and the fact that it comes with a tool already, that's with the Google ADK, just makes it amazing. So yeah, that's something I'm excited about. If I see more, I'm going to share with you, and I encourage you to also check out the Google Agent Development Kit.